Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna go over how to get the NFL Sunday ticket on Spectrum. Now, to access your NFL Sunday ticket through Spectrum, you'll basically need to be a Spectrum business customer and sign up via their EverPass platform, which offers access to stream NFL Sunday ticket and the Peacock Sports Pass. Okay, so make sure you have the Spectrum business. Okay. And this is basically specifically for, commercial establishments, bars, restaurants, hotels, and you can get access through the Everpass platform, right? So ensure you have that business, Spectrum business account. And what you can do is you can contact Spectrum Business to inquire about the Everpass and NFL Sunday ticket access, and then go ahead and sign up. They'll guide you on how you can go through the process of signing up for Everpass and accessing the NFL Sunday ticket stream. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. And this includes a lot of things, right? For example, access to out of market Sunday afternoon games, right? But this doesn't include games available in market or on local channels. For example, CBS, Fox, NFL Network, or national NFL games. These are not available. Okay. And of course, digital only and international games, right? These are excluded from NFL Sunday Ticket. They select ones, but otherwise, you can get the NFL Sunday Ticket. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.